Step 1. Measure your head. Step 2. Create the crown pattern. Step 3. Create the side band pattern. Step 4. Create the brim pattern. Step 5. Cut out the fabric pieces. Step 6. Sew the side band together. Step 7. Attach the crown to the side band. Step 8. Sew the brim pieces together. Step 9. Attach the brim to the side band. Step 10. Finish the seams. Step 11. Top stitch the brim. Step 12. Give it a final press. Click the link in description to learn more.